So now I want to introduce you to Epson BT-350. Quite a good form factor, especially because they have moved the computing unit with the wire away. Not many people like the wire, but overall the device is very good. It has a functionality to avoid collision with if the user has glasses. Additionally, the display technology is very much similar to the Odyssey. It has a stereo display, so again the graphical content is straight in your field of view. And for the interactivity, all the interactions will be done using the computing unit, where you have a trackpad, basic Android buttons, and arrows. So Epson glasses have the trackpad interactivity, thus you will be just controlling a mouse cursor, and in this way all the pointer functionalities are available, and there is no specific restrictions what you can do or cannot do with the Epson glasses. So the most common use cases for Epson BT-350, thanks to its price range, is in factory environments. Is it for quality control? Is it for communicating between the assembly people and the designers? As said, this is not the industrial version of Epson product line, and this way it's not the most robust one. But for factory environment, it's a good device.